new air mask, and a new haircut. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Just got my haircut this afternoon here in Ventnor. I decided, why not be outside? Why not talk about this wonderful weather that we're having here? We have plenty of clean, crisp air around. Dew points have been low all throughout the day and will continue at least for the first couple of hours this evening before things change as we go into tomorrow, Friday, and especially Saturday here. Let's get you through this evening. Temperatures will be sliding through the 80s and into the 70s, actually probably getting into the 60s in some spots by midnight. And then what's going to happen is our low temperatures will pretty much just stay stagnant for the rest of the night. We'll be sitting somewhere in the upper 60s to the low 70s, depending on where you're at. Low 70s here in Ventnor, upper 60s over on the mainland, and that's because cloud cover is moving in, and we'll also have more humid air eventually move in as well. But if you want to leave the windows open for this evening, you can. Then I would say after midnight, shut them and turn the air conditioner on, because as we go into Thursday, it is going to be a hot one. We are looking for high temperatures in the low 90s over in Mullica Township, over in Vineland, places on the mainland. Over at the shore, we get a little bit of a sea breeze. It'll be in the upper 80s, but when you combine the heat and the humidity, you'll be feeling like 95 to even 100 degrees in a couple of those mainland spots. We are looking for a few showers during the early morning hours, 5 to 8 a.m. And then as we go forward throughout the rest of the day, we should be mostly dry. But then after about 5 o'clock or so, I'm watching for a couple of thunderstorms to come through. I talked about it earlier. Here's the deal. We need to see the storms first to actually get any kind of severe weather. There's no guarantee that we will see any thunderstorms after 5 o'clock. These are just going to be some pop-up hit or miss kind of storms that would try to flare up. But usually when we have this kind of warm front to our north and this cold front to our west, we stay relatively dry. But we will watch out for whether it's damaging winds or a tornado or even some hail throughout this period as well. Then as we go into our Thursday night, we're going to be pretty dry here. We are looking for perhaps some showers and storms after about midnight to 6 a.m. Otherwise, we're dry, but it's a sticky night. Low temperatures will be 70 to 75. And then as we go into our Friday, the same deal as Thursday. We're not going to be as hot, but we'll be just as sticky. We'll be near 90 for many places here. And then when you factor in the heat index that we have, we'll be near 100 degrees. We are looking for scattered showers and storms during the afternoon. No severe weather, but we'll watch for some flooded roadways. Then as we go into Saturday, we're going to look for the remnants of Laura that come through. About a half day's worth of wind, rain, perhaps some coastal flooding sometime later in the day on Saturday into early Sunday morning. So it's not a complete washout for Saturday, but it's not going to be a nice day either. Probably not a beach day. But as we go into Sunday, cleaner air, more crisp air comes in, feeling an awfully lot like today. And I think many of us like that. We'll be back with you at 6:30 tomorrow morning talking more about the storms and the potential for severe weather. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always come back to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.